Good morning, my dear sister and brother. Today, my arrival before you giving some suggestion about 26th January. Already, I wrote on the blackboard 26th January 2021. You know, my dear countrymen, this is month of January. In the month of January, India has very momentous, special, significant day. 26th January memorized as Republic Day by recalling the value of Constitution of India. India is the number one largest democratic country in the world by the grace of God, but alas, in the rank of democratic index, in the position of India is 51. That is not good sign for India as well as for us. Democracy is a ruling system of a country where countrymen have the authority, power, electing and demolishing the government, above all achieving the degree of India, achieving the degree of it. So my dear, in fact, the highest comparison, autocracy, dictatorship, democratic country, the paradise of the world. There are two persons who are responsible to development of a country, of a democratic country. First is one government, second public. If both are right, correct, so it means that the country, democratic country is very success, developed country. We must know, my dear, we must know, I repeat my sentence, we must know, my dear, the proper selection of an honest government is the first success of democratic country. The commitment of mistake the government taking action by public peacefully as a protest under the constitution is second success of a democratic country. Last is one final success. The democratic country, the final success is giving first service to the name of nation after being educated. Guys, I repeat my sentence. Please listen carefully. Giving first service to the name of nation after being educated. But in our country, there are many educated people, expert doctor, intellectual engineer who are giving service out of country. Some are giving service USA, UK, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Qatar, etc. But actually they are son of the India. They are son of the India, but they are giving service out of country. How justice? How possible? It I don't know. If we are going to ask question those who are giving service out of country, they will give only one answer, guys. One answer, because India is not providing full service. India is not giving a big amount of salary, so they like giving service of out of country. Oh. What? It means that India is your parents, India is your fathers, India is your mother. It means that if your parents are not rich, poor, so I think that you will reject your parents, just like you rejected your country. You are living in out of country. It means you rejected. So I think that I do not like giving first service. There are many talented doctor, engineer in our country. If you are giving in our country, in our personal country, so I think that India, of course, can be smarter than America, China, USA, UK. So guys, if I clear the concept of constitution, today is my topic, 26th January. If I clear the concept of constitution is soul, life, engine of a democratic country, language, eyes of the people, authority, power of the nation. Above all, mother of the countrymen. There is one hand that provided supreme power to Indian people to do good work, to apply, to use, utilize their idea thought in India. On the other hand, Constitution is the supreme court that prohibit to Indian people to do bad work. That is quality of our constitution. I think that, guys, constitution is our power, right, education, freedom. Thanks very much.